Baby.
Yeah, exactly. I know. Gross. Don't. Oh my gosh. Don't let Logan put his hands in his mouth.
He really likes
My
it.
mom is not going to like this.
He's gonna be a
I have wipes. We're going to wipe him off. He really, really likes it. They're both enjoying themselves immensely.
Let's feed Sebastian to the cow.
Oh my gosh.
Should we give him your belly? Let him suck.
No.
He's like got his whole hand in his mouth. He thinks it's like the funniest thing. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of slime.
Did you bring enough wipes?
I did.
Have
Yes.
to do bath time again.
Oh. Oh my goodness. I must say, I think Logan really is enjoying this. Oh. Did you do this when you were a kid, Brad?
Brad, no, not his face, please.
It didn't kill Brad.
Logan's new best friend.
Oh, okay.
Look,
Look at him,
now
like
he's
still
mad.
smiling. He's like, oh.
That cow is like into it. You know he's gonna start coming any second, I can tell.
Brad, seriously.
He'd stick his whole arm in there if he
We're
had
looking at Brad's childhood.
Oh
This was his
my
entertainment. He didn't have any.
We
He
didn't
had
have
one
TV.
rattle and 7 cats. Cats sticking out of their butt.
Oh my gosh.
I should have stayed at the house. I can tell already.
Okay, now
Shall I
let's
go
get really
in with a
dirty.
wipe?
I suppose we can